Welcome to the Photoshop design video. This video is to show you how to do a few tricks using Photoshop and how to give us a great image to print on a t-shirt for you. Okay, the first thing to show you is this template. You can download this template from the Creative Tricks page, which I have already done. I'll just show you what size this is. So the template is 31 centimeters wide and 38 centimeters high at a resolution of 300 dpi. This 300 dpi is really important. This resolution means that you'll get an excellent print quality. And so you have to remember that all the images that you use should fit into this template and look great. Okay, so the image I want to use is this beautiful image of our lovely boss Sergio. So I'm just going to copy and paste this into our template. What is required is a perfect fit. It's kind of like I've done this before. Now, what I actually want to do to Sergio is chop his head. So I'm going to cut around him like this and show you one that I did earlier. This is Sergio decapitated. A really quick and easy way to make an image really graphical and a great bold design for a t-shirt is to go to Image, Adjustments, and Threshold. This immediately makes the image into black and white, kind of like a poster design. And you can use this adjustments here along these curves to bring out as much or as little detail as you want. Maybe something like this is okay. And also with this image, you'll see that there's a white fill here. This is the Photoshop background, and this is a white fill. So we want to get rid of this white fill so that we can just have a black image that then can be put on any color t-shirt we like. So I'm just going to go to Image, I'm going to go to Select, Color Range. Use the picker to pick the color, so it's white. Click OK. And then you see that the sparkly line around it has selected the white of the image. I'm just going to hit delete. So now that's gone. There, so now we have a beautifully graphic, bold image that's perfect for printing on a t-shirt. I'm just going to show you another quick way, my favourite way of making like a cartoonized image. So I'm going to go back to my original picture of Sergio. Now I want to make a very kind of cartoon image. So I'm basically going to draw around the main features of Sergio's face using the polygonal lasso tool, which is my favourite tool on Photoshop. And this kind of cuts it in straight lines to make it very graphical. Like this, add an extra layer. So I'm going to fill it with red so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so now Sergio has a red eyebrow. And you carry on cutting around the detail until you get something that looks like this. This is what I prepared earlier. Now, I actually want to change this image so that it's black instead of white. And a really, really quick way of doing that and making sure the whole image is completely black is to go to FX on Photoshop, which is select the right layer, FX down here, Color Overlay, which is on Layer Style. Now it's already selected red. If I tell it to select black and down here, a good way to make sure that it's completely black is to just type in the 6-digit code, which for black it's just 6 noughts. So it's OK. There we go, it's immediately changed it to black for me. Perfect. Now, what I actually want to do with this image is make a kind of cartoon of Sergio's hair. And this is why his hair was slightly shorter. You may have seen in an earlier video we made it into an afro. Right here I'm going to do something very similar. So I'm going to select the top part of his hair, like this. And basically copy and paste it. Into a new layer like this. And then you can exaggerate it as much or as little as you like, and then fill in these areas using the polygon or lasso tool, and then change the colour with colour overlay function like I just showed you previously. Now, I like Blue Peter, I've done this already. So here we have Sergio with an exaggerated afro hair. Brilliant. Okay, so I'm just going to stick a little bit of text in here about the words afro. Perfect. And I also want to bring in a couple of images. So how about this? This is an ink spray that I have in my library. It's also very similar to something you can use in the clip art section. And now, one of the great features of Photoshop is the kind of layer styles here. Now, a great way to kind of mix the layers together is to use these different settings. Here you see that this changes depending on what's underneath it. See, as it goes over the red, it changes colour, and it goes over the black, it changes colour as well. So it's a great way to produce really simple and effective effects on there. Bring in one more. Just copying and pasting it in. Paste it into here. Resize. Spin it around. I'm also going to put this one into luminosity. You can see it's changed the colour of his chin there, so it's still, you can still see his chin, it's not lost behind this. Okay, and then when you're happy with your image, you can send it to us. Now you have to sending it in a particular format is very helpful to us. You delete the layers that you don't need, and then go File. Remember to save your Photoshop file as a PSC as well for your own library, but for saving it for us, send it as a PNG. This means that you can keep the transparent background, which you see here, the Photoshop background here, which means that this is a very good image for putting on any colour t-shirt. File name, Sergio Afro, save, and then you just upload this to the design module, as we showed you before in the previous design video, and order, buy or sell, and you get back something. This is a slightly different image, but you'll get the picture. Something that looks like this. Thanks for watching.